Now that one slow said the Alabama see a now I'm free, I'm on near, I'm person banner, I'm betching, I don't want to go I don't want to go down. I don't still uma abache amesre na yakomo so akwaba na kanya se number 1 ne na dance na abuko mai ma kutim sene konso uma elkone koma so akwaba adamo ane grachi biti amo mate say ye bana ya be mo makwaba se de asante ma cinema in Nama CSA, Mamma.
So, Ambassador, so please, as tradition demands, send a delegation on our side. Welcome you.
Sorry.
You
can stand there and then you tell us.
Madam, kamu akwa very day. Na yede kwansosa ebe ma wo na echi amania no.
So, as tradition demands, once you can welcome you to the company with some friends from the palace. These are royal friends from the palace, your delegation. So, the linguist and the school attendant represented.
Adama, I'm not trying to be here on a travel for a banner. Said I'm a point of the sea and I cried you at the person and I, as I said, Omukam Susan, from the Manhyia, that was a year snap, pentu, and Bronies are risky, and also pentu. Pentu be snap, Adama, Susan.
So, as I earlier on indicated, there is a presentation to you from His Royal Highness, Anna represented by Anna Manhyia. There we have this black label and also snaps.
Dennis, okay.
Now, Dama, a difference of some more with the best ring, maybe someone to see. When you crash it, Madama, and I say, Mr. Misa say, how will you when you buy one to see a bar and say,
So, Ambassador, as the linguist rightly said, we would like to hold your mission the palace today.
Thank you. I'm the founder and president of the Heritage and Cultural Society of Africa, and I visited the palace some months ago for the Pacific Festival, and I told His Majesty that when my delegation from the diaspora arrives, I'll bring them here to greet me. Unfortunately, I was informed that Mama has traveled, the June has traveled, and we were informed that we were received by the Queen Mother of Asante. So today we have come to pay our respects to His Majesty and the Queen Mother and all the people of Asante. So I'm here with my delegation. On my right hand side, we have the First Lady of the Turks and Caicos Islands. And then on my extreme right, I have the Vice Premier, former Vice Premier of the Turks and Caicos Islands. So they are leading the delegation from the diaspora. We have about 40 people who have arrived from the US, from California, from Maryland, from Virginia, from New York, from Canada, all over North America, from Europe. We have people from the UK, we have people from Spain, we have people from France. We have a son of Asante man. His name is Mr. Enoch Efa. He was taken to France as a child and became the 3 times world kickboxing champion. Mr. Enoch Efa, are you here? So he's also a French citizen and a citizen of Asante as well. We have a very powerful delegation. I don't know if you want them to introduce themselves. So can we pass the mic to them or? Yeah.
The person comes here introduce so that they will see.
So see them. Okay. So let's start with First Lady, please.
I am visiting from the Turks and Caicos Islands with my husband, Hayden Noyes. It's a pleasure to visit you and your country and to be here with Ambassador Johanna at the very important summit, Aspen. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen. I am the voice and the publisher of the Turks and Caicos newspaper. My wife is from Turks and Caicos, but I'm from Barbados. Most of my ancestors are from the Ashanti tribe. It's an honor and a pleasure to be with your beautiful country. This is a lifetime experience. This is very memorable experience. You look at us, you feel like family, you feel like you're home. This is a real pleasure. Thank you very much.
My name is Gwendolyn Douglas. I am from Glen Allen, Virginia, United States, and it is a privilege for me to be here among you. You are my family. After much research, I am of the Akan people of Ghana, and it is a privilege.
right person. My name is Edo. I was born here in Ghana. I pursued my children, actually, Shanti, Ejikun. My husband, who is not from Ghana, unfortunately is sick. He was living in Portugal this day, so he couldn't come. But privileged to be here. Thank you so much for listening.
Your Excellency, it's a pleasure and an honor to meet you and your fellow citizens and dignitaries here. My name is Curtis McLaren. I am from Canada. I'm not Canadian, as you can probably tell. But part of me feels like times to be here, the wonderful people that you have, the wonderful country that you have. Part of me feels unique as well. So, thank you.
Greetings to my sisters and to the Queen Excellency. My name is Nana Anuwana Tambu. I'm known to my grandchildren as Seva Akato. And yes, and I'm born and raised in the USA, New Orleans, Louisiana, and by grace of God, I hope to make Ghana home at some point soon. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Caroline English, and I'm here with my daughter and my grandson and my husband. If we grew up from the Roche, we can be the Army Department champ was a Roche in Tiba training for charity retreat. And he says, we catch it to the that's it. We are
I'm here to represent that part of the world that currently live in North Carolina and the States. After the honor to be this weekend, this week, in the Latin American Award, that's very proud of it, very, very good. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having us here. It is a pleasure. My name is Cynthia Austin, and I am from the state of Virginia, United States of America. And again, thank you for having us.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Enoch Efafri. I was born in Paris. That's right. I can speak. Then, Papa ni Manhyia Sankofa. Neba ahase karawa. Neba before the ici ni mami. Ana mi hunse ne buta honne. Ana mi ko ko ya me dunya sa be. Sa onde na me mami de mami. Actually, said it's in the school, and it's in this chance here. Excellency, our team, and now every Agaji, trying to say the roots, Ewaha, the Masepa, gets me on Abaka. Therefore, getting 19 come, and now it's needed as a studio at the back.
negotiate, but here I'm out of place. See, we don't want to speak, and you're not perfect. So, thank you for having me. From California. My husband is Ghana, so my children are now the cowboy. Nowadays, it's my makeup
Hello, my name is Sophie. I'm the daughter of Ambassador Manhyia, and I'm a musician, singer-songwriter, performer. I was raised between Accra and Oxford in England, and I'm very happy to be here today. Thank you so much for having us.
Good afternoon, Your Highness. It's a real privilege to be here. My name is Abraham. I'm from Nigeria. And I actually have a lot of Ghanaian friends, and they've always been telling me to come visit. And I'm glad that Hafsa gave us the opportunity to be here. And who have honored us with your presence and your permission to also be here, to hold your culture, get to experience the people of Ghana, and also feel like by extension, because Nigerians and Ghanaians have a lot of relationship and history. It's really a privilege to be here, so thank you so much. I'm grateful.
Down so said you too for crash a can. So, Madam, when the actually every day, I'm here to perform. Say, be free Nigeria, be free Belgium. When you come and go, Omaba. Now, also buy and on the Yamaka crowd with the buy and the so much than I did now over the HL, or that one, second down. That was second.
Let's just say, people who are actually by of the culture, and they flying the world, but they have to fly. Listen, I'm not flying at home. I social media.
Now that one so good. Said you too for cratching. I see Binom a shed near maybe on person what they check, no more toothing. Son of Munyan also count on bone, the only bar on the abechiao. It's a quanda hodia, Cadio. Uncle Cray, young person to dinner, on person to dinner. That was a quanda.
Thank you. Today I brought a gift to you. It is a pair of earrings with a scarf, and the prominent color is green because of the fertility and the richness of the land that produces such queens and kings. It is an honor for me to be here yet again, and I have a book also sharing the history of African Americans in my community in Glen Allen, Virginia. And we want you to know that although I was not born here, I'm constantly drawn here by the warriors of the Asante Kingdom.
Thank you again. Nice to see you again. And thank you as well for having us. The work that I do, I also support the work of UNESCO and their World Heritage Sites. And knowing that the Asantes are a very important World Heritage Site with their Asante traditional buildings, I am bringing you a look at our World Heritage Site where I live, which is the Rio Canal. So there's a way to celebrate contemporary relationships, and also at the same time, a theme that celebrates the friendship between Ghana and Canada as well.
These are stones,
Casa.
gemstones, and they include amethyst, clear quartz, and ruby. And ruby is about abundance and wealth. Yes, and the amethyst is for spiritual well-being and protection. And the clear quartz is so that we stay clear and grounded in the truth of who you are. I'm honored to present this to you, all of you.
me patrol my into the Nahima. Patrol in Nahama and vibes and first aid from 10 for people island. Or say with the and over this year, we so you close. I hear US dollars. Yeah, disease the lie. That's what so she so you train the lie. But then we get so about I'm chasing. I will. It's the heart, no, you are first aid.
The Premier of the Church of the Islands, we present this gift to you as a token of love and appreciation for being here and being able to be with us today. We are so honored to be here amongst you and your people, and we look forward to coming back again. And I'm sure he would be happy to come and join me this time to Africa. He couldn't make it this time because of work, but he is so excited to come to Africa. So I'm hoping we will have also the opportunity to meet him on this trip. Thank you.
So I'm glad that you've met my whole delegation. I think we're very proud to bring all these people to Ghana to come and understand Ghana's heritage and culture. And they feel that they are coming home because 400 years ago, their ancestors were taken away as slaves and chains, and now they come back home. So we want them to Manhyia planets to come and reconnect with their roots and come back home to Africa. So thank you so much for allowing us to bring them, for you to welcome them back to Africa. And we can't come empty-handed, so we brought also our gifts to present to you today. Thank you.
I'm so good. So looking for a crash, a can. Our deal money buy, buy our mukro, snap adaka, runinsa, and also in Cotua, me and son, and a boma dear, and that's so. But that's it, bro.
Good afternoon. On behalf of the Kingdom, I'd like to welcome each and everyone. It's unfortunate that His Royal Majesty is out of town at the moment, and Her Royal Majesty too is indisposed. But for this beautiful crowd, I think she would have loved to be here herself. The First Lady, the former Prime Minister, the organizers of their group, the other gentleman who's also from Ghana, from Ashanti, who made us proud today, knowing that you're from Ghana and not anywhere, you're from Ashanti, then it makes us very proud. On behalf of the Kingdom, we'd like to welcome each and everybody. As you all know, Ghana is home. I'm extremely happy for the organizers for bringing all of you back to your roots where you belong. As you can see, Ghana is a very beautiful place. I hope you guys have enjoyed our food as well. We've got the best food in the world. And we have a very beautiful culture. I think you've experienced that already. I was told if you have the privilege of going to our museum to see how the Kingdom is like, it will be an honor for His Royal Majesty himself to be here. But as you can see, Ashanti is a very big nation. It comprises of 66 paramountcies, not only in Ashanti region, but in the Wahafo region, part in the Bono East and the Bono West, part of Oti region, and part of the Eastern region, making it the whole of Ashanti Kingdom. So it will have been an honor for His Royal Majesty himself to be here. But unfortunately, he is out of the country. But on behalf of His Royal Majesty Nana Akufo-Addo III, I welcome all of you to the Kingdom. Enjoy yourself, take part of it, experience our great culture, our good food, but when you're leaving, you give our keys back to us. We hope you will visit us again at the most appropriate time for all of you. And to the First Lady, our message goes to your husband, that we are looking forward to seeing him some other time. And to each and everybody, this is your home. So today, as you are here, we all welcome you to this Kingdom and make sure you're all part of the Kingdom. So all those of you who came from different parts of the world, from the United States, from Canada, from Nigeria, you're all Ashantis today. So by the power vested in me by Her Royal My Highness Nana Akufo-Addo, I all confer you Ashanti people. Thank you so much for visiting. We hope that you visit us more often so we can also do the same some other time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nana and Mana. We are so grateful for your hospitality, your kind welcome, and we all accept membership of the Ashanti Kingdom.
You're paying the food.
Thank you. So we're now going to beg your permission to leave. We have an appointment. We are visiting Nkrumah University. We are going to show visitors from the diaspora how wonderful the university here is and the great things that come out of the Ashanti region, including the students who study at the Kenya University. So thank you again, and we beg your permission to leave.
Yo. It's live on Facebook at Royal Palace. Royal Palace Multimedia Culture.